Alright folks, this is day 5, so as of the recording of this video, the skillet has been soaking in the lye bath for about 122 hours. So let's take a look and see how we're doing. Keep in mind, this is the point at which I initially anticipated we'd be done, but again, that was based on the bag method, wherein the sodium hydroxide was at a stronger concentration. So going off of the inside of the skillet here, what I'm seeing is easily like a 99% good. Very, very impressive. So yeah, I zoomed in more on the camera, which of course cuts off my head out of frame, but you don't need to see that anyhow. And I found a smaller wire bristle brush to kind of help get this shmoo off. And yeah, a lot of it is coming off the fingernail, kind of like we've seen in the past. So not quite easy enough for the brush, but it is coming off. But I'm going to say we are not done. I'm going to leave it to soak because we still got a good bit down here by my thumb. And yeah, very little over on this side. Let's take a look at the outside of the skillet. So, yeah, just like the inside, we're pretty much darn near 100%. A little bit of residue here yet. Again, coming off with my fingernails through the gloves. Yeah, I would put the inside of the skillet at like 95% and the outside probably a 98%, I'd say. Well, I might even say 99% for the outside. That just took off quite a bit there. That was not well bound. Yeah, the outside's coming off fairly well. Some of it's holding on, but for the most part, we're in great shape. And again, with all the shmoo removed from the skillet, we can very clearly see that there's indeed no cracks, which that's always a plus. However, like we mentioned on the initial video, this skillet is warped, so I am going to have to do some repair with my acetylene oxygen torch, which I would have hoped to not have to do, but it is what it is. And for the purist saying I'd destroy the collector value of it, I don't think this has any collector value. Lodges are not highly sought after, so get over yourself. I buy antiques to use them. I pointed that out in a previous video, so nothing new. Okay, well, we're simply not done. That's all there is to it. I think we would have been further along, if not complete, had we not had a leaking bag, but at this point I'm not going to bother redoing the bag approach because I'm pretty confident that within another 24 hours or 48 tops, we'll be good to go. So the handle is pretty much spotless. All that creosote is gone. Yeah, handle's definitely clean. But if you kind of divide the skillet into hemispheres based on this orientation being upright, this is 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Basically the southern hemisphere from 3 to 9 is where the remaining shmoo lies. A little bit right there that just came off. Yep, so that's all gone. So yeah, our only remaining issue is southern hemisphere, so that is how we're going to put this in there. And there she's going to sit for another day. Alright, well that's it for today's video. Thanks again for watching. Friendly reminder, please hit that like button and subscribe. I'd like to think that this content would benefit other viewers. And, well, we all know how YouTube works. If you don't hit that like button and watch, then YouTube doesn't show it to anybody. So, yeah, I'd like to benefit society here with what I'm kind of doing. So, please help, and it costs you nothing again to like and subscribe, and stay tuned. We'll be back tomorrow evening. Thanks.